Esker, Certified Professional Organizer from Cedar Rapids, Iowa. We're going to go over a quick strategy for getting your closet cleared out in the spring of every year. So I've spent about the last 20-30 minutes going through my closet. This is the closet that I share with my husband. And about a month or so ago, I went through some of these things. What I really wanted to focus on, since it is March, is getting through my short sleeve shirts, the ones that specifically I've not worn the last year. And what I did was I took all my short sleeve shirts after I went through them basically with my gut feeling and got rid of the ones that I knew that I have not worn, I'm probably not going to choose to wear, and have gotten rid of them. Then what I did, you will see the hangers are facing in two different directions. These that are facing forward in the normal direction, those are things that I wear in the winter time. And since we're going into a change of season and into the summer, I'm going to leave those forward. You'll see these now that are backwards. All of these that are backwards are my short sleeve summer shirts. And they go up until this point here. Now they start going forward again. So all of these here, these are my short sleeve summer shirts that I have taken and I've turned the hanger backwards. The purpose for that is so that A, I can see very readily which things are summer and which things I have not worn. What will happen is as I wear something, let's say I get this shirt out and wear it, and let's see what it is. Oh, St. Patrick's Day. I probably will be wearing this next weekend if once again the weather's warm enough. We do live here in Iowa, and so sometimes short sleeve isn't always the best choice in Iowa in March. But once I wear that though, then what I will do is I will wear it, wash it or whatever when it's ready to go back in. Then I will take it and I will put it forward. So it will go back in here. I do my clothing by colors, and I will put it forward. So what this tells me then is at the end of the season, any of these that are back forward are the ones that I wore. The ones that are still backwards are the ones that I did not touch. So just a little trick for strategy you can use for getting your closet organized and helping you deem and determine what are the clothing that you actually wear each season and which you don't. So we've talked about the little strategy for turning our hangers backwards. The thing that we'll want to do is come next fall, probably about October, November, I'll take a look at my hangers and which ones are still turned backwards. I will then make a decision, and probably, hopefully, the decision will be made for me that any of those hangers that are still backwards, those clothing items that I didn't wear, are the ones that I get rid of. So just another tip for you to use for getting things organized and downsized, and specifically in your closet and specifically in the spring of every year.